For the muscle attachment, so this is the anterior surface and this is the posterior surface, and the anterior surface or costal surface is mostly occupied by a large slightly depressed region called the subscapular fossa. The fossa provides origin to subscapularis muscle. And the posterior surface has a prominent ridge called the spine of scapula, which divides the surface into a smaller supraspinous fossa and a larger infraspinous fossa. Supraspinatus fossa gives origin to supraspinatus muscle and infraspinous fossa gives origin to infraspinatus muscle. So for the borders. The lateral border in the anterior surface, there is origin of subscapularis, and in the posterior surface, it has origin of a teres minor muscle and teres major muscle. Now for the medial border, in the anterior surface is inserted by serratus anterior muscle, and the posterior surface is inserted by rhomboid minor muscle above and rhomboid major muscle below the spinous process. Now for the angle, the superior angle is covered by trapezius muscle. And the inferior angle gives origin to latissimus dorsi muscle. The lateral angle bears the glenoid cavity or fossa which articulates with the head of the humerus to form the shoulder joint. Supraglenoid tubercle gives origin to long head of biceps. And infraglenoid tubercle gives origin to long head of triceps. For the process, in the spinous process the lower lip of crest of spine and the lateral border of the acromion process gives origin to the deltoid muscle. And the upper lip of crest of spine and the medial border of the acromion process provides insertion to the trapezius.
And in coracoid process,
there is insertion of pectoralis minor muscle, and origin of coracobrachialis and short head of biceps muscle. So this is for the muscle attachment.